Hello, my name is Cher Supakovit, and this video I will present you about the DevSecOps key areas in my e-commerce project. And the first one, I'm going to briefly explain about my report. I have six key areas. I'm gonna summarize it in short. So the first one is secure code practices. So this is mainly about the when you're writing the code, you carefully writing the code to prevent the hackers from hacking and any vulnerability. And the ultimate security testing is about you use the tools that automatically testing your system. So basically, it's automatic tools. You use that to scan the problems and dependencies and library scanning. It's mainly about you checking your libraries you use for other hidden vulnerability, hidden secret security hole, something like that. Container image security is that you keeping updated your image, container image, for example, the Docker image. Um, and I gotta show you that we use the tool Docker Scout. And the secret management is that it's about the password, it's about the keys that in the tasks we do in the early weeks, we keep it separately. We don't put it in hard code. That way we can um, make our password or sensitive information secure. And continue monitoring is that you keep mainly is about you keep monitoring or watching your system activities regularly, so you can keep fix the problem regularly. And I think it's that all for my report. And next, I'm gonna show you how to use the Docker Scout to save time. I'm gonna show you step by step. So at first, I open my command prompt, then I log in. I navigate to the folder, e-commerce file, and after that, I do login. This one. After I successfully log in, I also do the login. Another one. Then I go to check my vulnerability using the Docker Scout for sure. It might take some time. Okay. Yes. They're showing details what is the vulnerability in my application area that I used. Um, see, okay, and I also this okay. They say that I should run another Docker Scout recommendation. So I'm gonna wait for a second. Okay. So after I run it, it shows that I need recommended that I need to fix to upgrade to the latest version of base image in my Docker file. So I'm gonna go there to my Docker file and I gonna change it. This one. Then I click save. Then um, after that, I'm gonna rebuild. Should be successful. Then I gonna use the Docker Scout to check the vulnerability again before like I push. Okay, and then I'm gonna push this to updated my image to my registry. So okay, and I think is that all for using the Docker Scout to check the vulnerability of problems and we need to solve. This is showing that I have no more critical vulnerabilities or high, just medium or low, and mostly is low. Thank you so much for watching.